I, JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Program BSc B.Ed, PCM, 5th Sem, Course Pedagogy of Mathematics, and session of today is Mathematical Induction Method and Deduction Method. So, introduction in algebra or in other discipline of mathematics, there are certain result or statement that are formulated in terms of n, where n is a positive integer. To prove such statement, well suited principle that is used based on the specific technique is known as the principal mathematical induction. Principle of mathematical induction. The principle of mathematical induction is one such that which can be used to prove a wide variety of mathematical statement. Each such statement is assumed as Pn associated with positive integer n, for which the correctness for the case n is equal to 1 is examined. Then assuming the truth of Pk for some positive integer k, the truth of Pk plus 1 is established. There is a given statement Pn involving the natural number n such that the statement is true for n is equal to 1, that is P1 is true, and the statement is true for n is equal to k, where k some positive integer, then the statement is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is, truth of Pk implies the truth of Pk plus 1. Then Pn is true for all natural number. It means if you have given any statement, if this statement is true for n is equal to 1, 2, and suppose if this is true for n is equal to k, then it will be true for n is equal to k plus 1. Then it is true for all natural numbers. This is the method of induction. So, in any problem, you can follow these 3 steps and you get the result of induction method. Or deduction, one key basis for mathematical thinking is deductive reasoning. Deduction is the nutshell, is given a statement to be proven, often called a conjecture or a theorem in mathematics. Valid deductive steps are derived and the proof may or may not be established. That is, deduction is the application of a general case to a particular case. Deduction, generalization, specific instance. One such example is 8 is divisible by 2. Any number which is divisible by 2 is an even number, therefore it is an even number. So this is the deductive approach. Induction, to understand the basic principle of mathematical induction. Suppose a set of thin rectangular tiles are placed in order as shown in the figure. When the first tile is pushed in the indicated direction, the first tile falls, and in the event that any tile falls, its successor will necessarily fall. This is underlying principle of mathematical induction. Type of questions to be solved by using PMI. So, statement giving expression about summation or multiplication of special series. Statement to show the divisibility of an expression by a certain natural number. Statement containing sign of inequality. Type 1 question: for all n greater than or equal to 1, prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square dot 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 plus n square is equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. This is the statement. We have to prove in it by the induction method. So there will be 3 steps putting n is equal to 1. Whether it is true for n is equal to 1, then next statement. So Pn is given here, and when n is equal to 1, then it will be P1. So putting the value of n is equal to 1 in this equation. So right hand side, after solving, it gives only 1. Or when n is equal to 1, then it has only one term, so 1 is equal to 1 and P1 is true. Assume that Pk is true. Pk is true. This is assumption. So replace n by k, and this is true. Now we have to prove if Pk is true, then Pk plus 1 will be true. So now we prove Pk plus 1 is also true. So putting the value of Pk plus 1 in this statement, or statement will be k plus 1 2k plus 1 upon 6 plus k plus 1 whole square. Then after solving, you get the consequence which is verified with this. Thus Pk plus 1 is true, where Pk is true. Hence, from the principle of mathematical induction, the statement is true for all natural number. Another example is given here. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 dot 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 plus n plus 1 n plus 2 is equal to n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 upon 4. This statement P1, put n is equal to 1. Then in the left hand side, first term is equal to putting the value of n is equal to 1. In the right hand side, both will be equal. Hence P1 is true. If P1 is true, then suppose Pk is true. Pk is true, it means replace n by k, and suppose this statement is true. Then again replace k plus 1, and using this statement, previous statement, again we saw here, we shall now prove that Pk plus 1 is also true. So replace the value by the k plus 1, and using the previous statement, this statement is also true. Hence it is true for all n is equal to natural number. So this is again proof. For every positive integer n, prove that 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. So first of all, taking statement P1 putting replace n is equal to 1. Then balance left hand side and right hand side. It is balanced. So this statement is true for n is equal to 1. Then suppose it is true for n is equal to k, then replace n by k, and suppose this is true. If this is true, then it will be true for k plus 1. So next, in the next equation, replace n by k plus 1, and using the previous statement, whenever we suppose n is equal to k, and putting this value in this equation, which is found by replacing n is equal to k plus 1, and we get balanced equation. So it is again true for k plus 1. This means it is true for all the natural number. Hence it is proved for all. So this is the induction method for solving the any problem. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.